What will we paint?
Tractor.
Tractor. Good. Will I try?
Joe.
Now, let's add colour. Black for the wheels. Green, tractor. Blue, sky. This could be the best painting ever. Good work.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ah, hello, Ozzy.
Hello, wife.
We are painting.
Let's love sign. Paint. Paint. You sign. Paint. Good. Paint.
Hey, Dara, let's hang it up.
Okay, Ron.
I just need a hook.
A hook? Ah, my next delivery.
Yes.
Wait here.
One.
A duck.
No.
Oh. Aha! A hook. Dara, can I have my hammer, please?
No blanket.
Thank you.
Oh, Joe, that's a banana.
Banana.
Aww. Oh, oh, I forgot my hammer.
Oh, dear. Oh, dear, Joe. Ah.
Ah,
That was it.
thank you, Dara. Perfect. We will put the painting there. What a good painting.
All the people are arriving for the art exhibition. Dara made everyone lemonade.
Can we have some cheese?
Oh, cheese! Oh, wait here. We have no cheese.
Cheese.
Let's love sign. Cheese. Cheese. You sign. Cheese. Good. Cheese.
We have no cheese.
Cheese. I forgot to order cheese.
On the bus.
Do you have something in your lunchbox, Dara?
Open the box.
Oh, we need more cheese. Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Days.
cheese, glorious cheese. Ladies and gentlemen, the most fabulous painting in the world.
High five.
I say goodbye.
Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go. Thank you, Dara. Thank you, Mr. Mooney.
Bye. On your bike.
Would you play some music for us?
I'd love to, but I don't have my guitar.
A guitar. My second delivery. Oh, wait, here. Oh. Oh, a guitar.
Wow!
Joey,
Yes?
the guitar is small.
Too small? Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy,
Wow, this is perfect. Thank you.
We welcome.
And welcome back to the show, everybody.
Hello.
I am joined in the studio today by my lovely co-presenter, Juanita, and musical guest, Julia Maria. Are you ready?
Yes.
And I'm on the back foot lately, and I've decided that I don't mind. Let the others run the race while I walk peacefully behind. I'm on the back foot lately, and I've decided that I don't care. I'll walk the race at my own pace, and fate can find me there. Oh,
wow! Now, everybody, we are off air.
Let's love sign. Off. Off. You sign. Off. Good. Off.
Juanita, are you ready to announce the winner of the secret prize?
Yes.
Okay, Joe.
My delivery. Wait here.
Yeah.
Juanita, the secret prize.
Wow.
Will you help me open it?
Yes.
Okay. Ah, this is my delivery device. Do you know who the winner of the prize is?
Me.
Yes, and you are going to help me make my deliveries.
Yay. Thank you, Joe. You're so nice.
You're all done.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy your prize, Juanita?
Yes.
Whoa!
Now it's time to go. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Joe. Whoa. There he goes. Back to the radio center. Let's go.
Joe, while we're waiting for everyone else, let's practice our kicks.
Yes. Hey, this ball is soft.
We need a pump.
No, we don't. I'll fix it.
No! No!
Oh, we do need a pump.
Yes!
Wait here. Oh. Ha-ha! A pump.
Go, Joe. Go, Joe.
Ah.
Good job. Okay, Joe, it's time for training.
Hello, everyone. Come on.
Hello, everyone.
Hello!
Are you ready for training?
Yeah!
Joe, I think we need some bibs.
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 Ah, Bibs! My turn delivery! Wait here! Oh! Ah! Bibs!
They're baby bibs.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Oh. Let's play ball. €1,000 a week.
Ready? Woo!
Joe's bad and gone. Nah, you're the best.
Look!
Right. You're all right.
Make sure to drink plenty of water after all that exercise.
Let's love sign. Water. Water. You sign. Water. Good. Water.
Henry, we need more water, please.
Hi. What can I do for you, Henry?
More water.
More water?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
Hello.
Thank you. Be careful on the way out. All right. Whoa!
Ah, thank you. Hey, this is empty.
Hi.
Hi, Henry. What would you need?
More water.
More water?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Are you having fun outside?
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go, right to the top. Here's a little surprise for you for all your work. Strawberries. Oh my goodness, you're gonna smell like a strawberry. Bye.
Yes.
Yes, strawberries.
Ah, thank you. Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go. Bye.
Hello.